Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it has been a while since I've played Papa's games, basically. I haven't done freezeria thing. I know I've done the cupcake. I think I've actually played all of these, but not on camera. So yeah, I'm gonna put this up. Okay, and then mine. Okay. So let's get to playing. I think it was the first video that I ever made, like Papa's Cupcakeria. I had no idea what I was naming it, so it was like, random name, and did a random name, and I didn't even spell it right. So let's just do it, Penny. I'm gonna go. Let's skip, because I've done this before. Okay. I've done this before, so I really know what to do. So. Okay, yes, I know, this build is mixed, this topic. I know how to do it, like order, you take, oh my gosh, like order, you take the order here, and then build, what you do in build is like you put the cup, and then you put in like the flavor and everything. It's so fun. Medium, yes. Strawberry, I'm ready to sell out. Vanilla ice cream, blend with, yes. Whipped cream, yes. Chocolate, sprinkles, yes. Three cherries, Okay, anything else? Okay. You don't really need to drag the thing when you actually do it, but choose a strawberry. So close. Vanilla, of course. And then you put it in here, and then it mixes. No, you gotta wait until the purple thing goes to the middle. I'm not reading this. And then topping station, whatever the toppings they want, you put that on there. And check. Oh wait, no, so it's to the tutorial. But then you know it's fully mixed. Good toppings, I know. Whipped cream. Okay. Chocolate syrup. Chocolate is my favorite thing in the whole wide world. I love it. Sprinkles. I'm not really too good at aiming in this game. I don't know why. The sprinkles are like I'm okay at it. What? Oh, right, 3 cherries. I was like, what? Another one right there. Another one right here. Okay. Let's see what we get. Yes, thank you. Music is amazing. Okay. Yay! 94! I thought. Now let's order and mix. After the post. Oh, right, because they see, like, how good you're doing. Okay. Take your order. Press take order. Okay. Medium, yes. Reese's Pieces with chocolate, dark chocolate. Half mixed. Whipped cream. Chocolate, Okay. 2 Oreos, 1 cherry. Is that it? Okay. Sir, I need you to sign here. Fine, I'll sign for you. Okay. See, look. Boom, you don't have to do it. That's what I do. Okay. Yay! Okay, it was Reese's. No. And chocolate. And blend until halfway. And yeah, closed. Oh no. But let's just make our own one. One that I would eat. I would eat Reese's. What makes it? Oh, for some reason. No. That can wait. Let's finish our very own one that I would eat. Perfect. Now our that one. Topping station. They would want it. They want whipped cream. Chocolate. I love chocolate. One Oreo, and one cherry. It's mixing station. Oh, goodness. Finish. Later, I will do my own. Like, as the last person. Oh yeah, there's those picky people in this game. Oh my gosh. It's so hard to get like 1 star from them. It is so hard. They're like, ew, this is cool. Like, seriously. Continue. Okay, she's not the picky one. And we got, oh, cookie dough. I love cookie dough. Whenever I love chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. That's one of my favorites. I think, like, my most favorite is either chocolate or vanilla ice cream. Hello, ma'am. How can I help you today? Medium cup. Cookie dough. Chocolate, Blend halfway, yes. Whipped cream, Chocolate. Sprinkles. Cherry. 1 cherry, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Why am I not using the nuts? Like, I got it for a reason. I got it to use it. Perfect, and we need I was about to say cookies and cream. No, we need cookie dough, chocolate, and then we blend. Okay. Oh, hello, ma'am. By the time we're done with her, it should be. Medium, strawberry, I'm getting this. Vanilla, halfway. Whipped cream, chocolate, sprinkles, Okay, so 3 cherries. Okay. Building station that I need. Strawberry. Vanilla. Oh my goodness. 5 hours later. Still going. Hasn't actually got tired. You guys can see the time on this, which I actually don't mind. And so. Oh. No. Oh wait. Good. Whipped cream. Delicious. Chocolate. Sprinkles. And 1 cherry. let's check up on this. Okay. Finish. And drag here. Got some tips. Pretty good. This video is gonna be like a lot of these games, a lot of the popular games. Oh, let's see. Oh no, it's over. Oh no, it's over. Oh no. Whipped cream. Okay. Oh, that sucks. Really. Let's just pile it all here. If you want it, then I can't. It needs to be all over. There we go. Better. Okay. Beautiful sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles, and 3 cherries. A 1, and a 2, and a 3. Finish, and there's a ticket, the receipt, whatever you call it. After this person, I think we're going to go on to the next game. I think 2 rounds for each game. Yeah. Tutorial and then, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, the guy behind me. Okay. I don't think, this is one of the angry guys. Yeah, very picky about their sundaes. They will be tougher when grading your orders. Oh no, we gotta be perfect on this. Oh no. Strawberry. And chocolate. We gotta do this quick, but not too quick. He's the picky one. There's also a girl, and oh my gosh. Whew. I think we should get at least one picky one. At least one. For this one, it's only one. But I think I'm gonna do like donuts first because they're amazing. I love donuts. They're so good. Okay. I'm like trying to like go back and forth. Oh, okay, it's closed. It's closed. Oh wait, I could build this guy's. This one. Like once I saw his, I was like, I gotta do his. Vanilla. Mix this with this one. Oh, almost there. Almost there. Let's change purple, like dark purple. Okay, so I don't know, I did it too far. So he gave me like, he was like, it's okay, that's not good. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a big old thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, so I can know whether to do more of these or less of these or none of them. Or a lot. If you really didn't like it at all and you were like, I never want to see this again, give it a thumbs down so I can know to make it less, so that my whole channel won't be like covered in that, and you'll be like, what am I supposed to watch now? Well, besides other YouTube channels. Okay. So anyway, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure that whenever I upload a video, you know when it is. I think I already said that, but I'm not sure. And make sure you comment down below, let's see, what your favorite Papa's Pizzeria game is, if you've ever played that. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!